Assalamu alaikum everyone. Let's start video. Welcome to question answer series. Question number 1. Do you know the name of mechanisms that prompt you to seek food? You have to guess it, and surely you guess it right. It's basically hunger and appetite that prompt us to seek food. Question number 2. Which organ is responsible for inducing sensation of hunger and satiety? All of us think it's our stomach, and its manifestation is growling, but the primary inducer of this sensation is our brain, not our stomach. And how it's our brain, we will explain it in question number 4. Question number 3. Is there any difference between hunger and appetite? Hunger and appetite are two different terms on the basis of their drive, but these states always coexist. Hunger is basically a physiological drive to consume food in which internal organs are involved. And it's non-specific. Any type of food can easily satisfy hunger. It doesn't require any specific food. And there comes a state that is known as anorexia, when there is hunger in body. It's a state when coexistence ends. Mean body demands food but appetite is absent. And the absence of appetite can result from certain medical ailments or as a side effect of medicines. Appetite is a psychological drive or desire to eat food reserved from hunger, but environmental and emotional conditions also play their role and influenced by external food choices. And in contrast to hunger, appetite mostly satisfied by specific foods. Like in case of craving is a powerful desire that pushes you to eat when your body doesn't need more food. Craving can be for sweet, salty, and even non-food items like pika. And our question number 4: how brain induce hunger and satiety sensations? The part of brain that induce hunger and satiety sensation is hypothalamus, a region at the base of brain. And how hypothalamus will play its role? It induces these sensations with the help of nerve cells and with the help of chemical messengers. Chemical messengers are also known as hormones. A hormone is a chemical substance that is produced by the body and has a specific regulatory effect on target organ or cell. Now we will talk about how nerve cells will play their role for inducing hunger sensation. In preprandial state or empty stomach, the pressure of stomach is decreases, and this decrease in pressure is detected by the cells lining the stomach, and they activate the nerve cell to send message to feeding center of the hypothalamus. And hypothalamus feeding center will respond to this data by inducing hunger sensation. And in post-prandial state, when we have taken meal and then our stomach pressure increases, and this increase in stomach pressure detected by the cell lining the stomach, and they activate the nerve cell to send message to satiety center of the hypothalamus. And hypothalamus satiety center will respond to data by inducing the sensation of satiety, and satiety sensation will give you a clue then there is no need to consume more food. Hormones role: leptin and ghrelin. Ghrelin produced by the gastrointestinal tract and its increased level induces hunger sensation. Leptin produced by adipose tissue and its increased level induces satiety sensation. Glucose is main body fuel and its level in blood is regulated by insulin and glucagon. In hypoglycemic condition, alpha cells of pancreas produce glucagon, and increased glucagon level sends signal to feeding center of the brain. Feeding center of brain will then induce the sensation of hunger. In hyperglycemic condition, beta cells of pancreas produce insulin. Insulin secretion sends signal to satiety center, and satiety center then induce the sensation of satiety. Question number 5. What is growling? We have talked about growling in our question number 2, where we said it's a hunger manifestation. It's basically the noise of stomach and intestine and occurs during digestion. That's a normal procedure. But other causes can be indigestion and due to hunger and irritable bowel syndrome, as intestines are hollow chamber. Sounds that emanate from them is similar to the sounds of water moving through the pipes. Thank you everyone for watching the video, and if you like our content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.